No, Alex ain't out here. Get out here. Get out. Alex ain't out here.
Yes, I am.
No, she not. No, you're not. Look, get out of here.
Yes, I am.
No,
I'm
you're
gonna
not.
sell 800 houses, and if you need someone to get you a house, come to me.
Look, get out of here. No.
Stinky.
Come to
He
me.
farts.
Come to me.
He
I need
farts in
those
his
houses.
lips.
I need
He
those
farts
houses,
in his lips.
I want it all, expensive trip, exotic cars when I took that loss.
What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, and I'm back for another video. And in this video, I want to give you all a breakdown on my favorite outbound marketing strategy for wholesaling right now, my favorite wholesaling funnel. And we're going to talk all about it in this video. I hope that you all are pumped for this. If you are, go ahead and hit that like button now.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
And let's go ahead, let's get into this content. All right, so we're gonna keep this straight to the point. I wanna make sure that this is super valuable as possible. Like the first part of this funnel is gonna be Propstream and or REWW. Propstream is a tool that I talk about all the time. It's a website that you can use to be able to analyze your property, send ringless voicemail drops and direct mail. You can pull up to 10,000 leads every single month, motivated sellers and cash buyers. You know, like they've got pre-foreclosures lists, tax lien lists, vacant lists. All of that stuff all wrapped into this software is absolutely amazing. I talk about it all the time. There's gonna be a link in the description where you could check out Propstream. I actually created my own like training tutorial because you know you're not gonna see a ton of content out there about like how to use Propstream and what to do once you get inside of there, how to pull a list and things of that nature. So I actually created a free mini course for everybody out there that's interested in getting Propstream. Feel free to check that out in the link in the description of this video and tell other people about it as well. Like I said, it's free. And if you want more training on Propstream and how to pull lists, what type of list I pull, definitely check out my Wholesaler University course where I go over everything that I know about wholesale. And another service that I really like is REWW, like Real Estate Worldwide is what that REWW stand for. And they have really good filtering tools when it comes to cash buyers and motivated sellers. That's why I like them. And I've been using them for quite some time now. I have the legacy version of their software, so I would recommend checking it out. I get up to 10,000 leads per month, but that's pretty much where this funnel starts at, guys. So we got to pull our list, we got to get some data. There's also other forms of data that you can get as well, such as just pulling some free data from online. So make sure that you check out and look for free data from your county, like local county websites. Just Google in like tax delinquent list, your area, like pre-foreclosure list, your area, things like that. You can, a lot of times you can get this information for absolutely free online, or you may have to go to an actual courthouse to be able to get this information, but it's usually not a problem. Right, next, now once you've got your list, let's say for instance, you know, you've pulled an entire 20,000 leads from these two services, and now you're gonna need to get the people on that list, you're gonna need to get their information. All right, so you're gonna need to skip trace, and the service that I use right now to skip trace is DataFinder. There's gonna be a link to DataFinder in the description as well. You can check that out, but for $250 per month, you can get 15,000 skip traces. Now that's 1.6 cents per skip trace. You really can't beat that, to be 100% honest with you. Most companies are charging like 20, 30 cents per skip trace. So I highly recommend check out DataFinder. That's what we use right now to skip trace. Now, once you've skip traced those leads, what I like to do next is scrub my list against the do not call list. There's a tool that I use called Call Tools to be able to do that. You gotta scrub this list. At least I recommend that you scrub the list. It's something that we recently started doing maybe like 6 to 8 months ago, just to kind of protect ourselves from any type of liability and things of that nature. Not to mention Call Tools does this for free. So they'll send you like an invoice for like $149, whatever, right? But then going forward, it's only $99 a month for this automatic dialer system. So that's what Call Tools is, but they allow you to scrub your list against the do not call list, as well as your in-house do not call list as well. So it's a really good way to kind of keep track of who you've called, who you shouldn't be calling, and things of that nature. But what I really like about Call Tools, and that actually goes into the next part of this funnel, is because that's what Call Tools is really for, is to be able to plow through enormous lists of people by calling them really quickly with an automatic dialer. Now they can have up to 10 lines dialing phone numbers for you at any given time. You can do up to 10 lines. They've got a lot of nice, awesome features. You can usually call like 100 people or more per hour if you're using Call Tools. So that's a lot faster than what most people are gonna be able to do just making the phone calls manually or whatever. That takes a lot of time, all right? Like speed is the key, but also like volume and consistency is key as well. So you really wanna be moving quickly, and you wanna get enough volume inside of your pipeline to actually get these deals. And next, so now we've pulled our list, we've skip traced that list, then we scrubbed it against the do not call list, and now we're starting to call those people as well. Now the last piece of this outbound funnel that really kind of brings everything together is text messaging. So right at this moment, I'm using Textedly as my texting platform. Like Textedly is pretty cool because it's super affordable for most people. There's also another service that I recommend, which is called Text Magic. You can check that both of those out with the link in the description. When it comes to Textedly, I actually have like a referral code that if you use that referral code, you'll get an additional 5,000 text messages, and I'll get 5,000 text messages as well. So feel free to check out that link in the description, the referral code for Textedly, so you can start texting your contacts right away. For about 50 bucks a month, you can get 3,500 text messages. But if you use that link in the description, you'll get an additional 5,000 text messages. And then you can use your referral code, tell other friends and people that you know about the service, hey, sign up, you'll get 5,000 free texts, and then you'll get another 5,000 free texts, which you can use for like next month. What is kind of like the drawback about Textedly is that you can't do mail merge. Mail merge is essentially like where you can input the individual seller's like name and address into that text message. So it'll be like, hey John, I see you have a property at 123 Main Street, and then the next person like, hey Sally, I see you have a property at 124 Main Street. Textedly doesn't do that. However, Text Magic does do that, and it's pretty affordable as well. But those are just a couple of the systems that I recommend right now on the texting. So now, so pretty much how this funnel totally operates is that, you want to pull that list, and then you want to skip trace that list, and then you've got to scrub that list. But it's well worth it. Once you get into Call Tools, your list will be scrubbed. You'll be able to call all of the people real fast. And then you can also be text messaging those people, so you're hitting them multiple times versus just that one-time pop. Okay, all right, so man guys, I hope that you all like this video. I'm gonna try to keep it short, simple, and straight to the point. If you all have any questions about any of this, all right guys, not sure what happened to the ending of that video, but make sure that y'all smack that like button, man. Let me know whether y'all like videos like this. I take a lot of feedback from you all's likes and dislikes on the video, so definitely let me know whether this video was helpful for you. Drop a comment down below and just let me know if you plan on using these strategies in this video. And also make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel and turn post notifications on so you get notified when I put out new content.
I'm gonna sell 800 houses, and if you need someone to get you a house, come to me.
By the way, in the next video, we'll be talking about my favorite inbound marketing strategies so you can start getting sellers and buyers calling your phone. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel if you aren't already. Turn on post notifications so you won't miss when I upload a new video, guys. And I will see you all in the next one.